share every Pinax TV studio has say update a day every efa former Gov't CEO and you be say Dr. Stephen Opuni. Yenim say papi na asem e wo court a ye dia onim kofo mienu bia ye say mra na wo ye adwuma e wo Gov't no contract bi ko so a ankofa ekwan paso sike bi akofa baabi fertilizer bin sensema bebre a wa cause financial loss to the state intino na asem e wo court a ye di asem no na asem di enimu no the lawyers eni nje ho ma enu achi no sensem bi akokọ so me ne court akotena se ama judgment bi aba abontin a judgment aba abontin nyina ne se ye papa eye Opuni and Dr. Stephen we win case no na amafo bebre na adwan ayo mutanta se sisi no case na we win no omo pa kire sen e ka na omo se wa boga na ahia ahimilie no ayekwa the case na we win case ni say yenja no no kwa na say ensem no ayenwunan na e wa homa ne so a ne ye course ne se ne asem ne tie sha ase ni nyina no details na nkasa brana makwaba
mini aba me joso
yes Dr. Opuni e win the court case dey hin na we win.
First of all, in check a committee for the ahwefo nyina, let us clarify say Opuni has not won the court case.
Okay.
Nti wo tie mi a mema o yemu nje o show say sa 217 million dollars says a kana state any a Ghana ye de born say what cause financial loss to the state a bra fertilizer hun sensen bi buy ya 270 million Ghana can we need to try the debut. And what is happening is that the case no whilst is ongoing Justice Opuni sorry Mr. Justice Opuni, Dr. Opuni and then the lawyers they realized say there was one particular judge according to them I find a Justice Clemanka Honu Yenuga. Now as according to the counsel and the lawyers of Dr. Opuni, they are of the view said this man is biased. What am I saying? He's biased and now he doesn't want to hold a fair trial. He's having a friend is a conflict of interest. Nina anything. According to the lawyers, Omo Party said this particular Justice Clemens Honyenuga, who happens to be a judge, a certain judge in the case against Dr. Opuni in the states, on make some remarks, remarks, uti in semna e kamia koye say already no we kan ebu Dr. Opuni say case na e course no you are guilty already. The bra say ni ndin wiye. Secondly, this same man Justice Clemanka Honyenuga yi or sound so chief one town in a public gathering a program a course no okojina se eka say Akufo-Addo ni free SHS or the abano and ya the papa ye. Now aside from that, ama Akufo-Addo program ama ne bridge gap between the poor and ama gap the gap that is between the poor and the rich. Ama sa gap no ben. All of these things, ni other things, of course, Eduntiana lawyers of Dr. Opuni eka say, we think you are not fair. We think say we remarks crying maybe I will make Kamiako say you've already
passed judgment.
Said say our client is guilty and in your head you've just pronounced him guilty of the charge without listening to his plea. And we want you to recuse yourself.
Okay.
Assembly by I did too. Justice Clemanka Honyenuga enim say this what the lawyers of Dr. Opuni eka Abraham Nonakasa already case we no or can one sem or court say lawyers of Dr. Opuni say unrecusing on or say no unrecusing on because I don't know there's no conflict of interest. Yes, on Panfia who for an Abambia he's going to make sure he's going to be free and fair. In the first attempt, Dr. Opuni and then the lawyers, call for your friends appeal say and appeal put call for some pleadings judge in particular
yes.
Case. In law, your friend recusing yourself. That must share in the law firm. They say you can't sit on a case and you can't be in a case. The judgment is about you and it's something in relation to you.
It's a personal.
Yeah, because it's show conflict of interest. Call first, judges they ruled in favor, saying say the lawyers of the Opuni they have no case, so they lost. And no June 9th the lawyers of Opuni they went again for a second attempt. So that is the portion Dr. Opuni Ewini.
Okay.
And yet 270 million
financial loss to the state.
They
charge na dane so no. Nti na say mo amomo de mani age mo amoye supporters of your papa Dr. Opuni amose we win case no anyone fa sike bi anye bibia no. That's not the issue. Enti no sisi na sa judge no. Okay, na judge we nkwa ne judge a odi asem na say judges bi ka ho.
You have 5-member judge and a judge we count.
Edi sa asem.
Yes, so ono kan 5.
All right, 5 na edi asem it means you better be here before ba be ho. And before na oba be ho no e ba batwi case na kwa achiwe. Ana say you better aso free bi e ko because ono na oba na bi ana enye ni case nti no on follow. How na e be kwa koye sisia?
Well, in your in a question I'll be saying na on case, how is the case going to be? I think say according to an outshare in some the council and judges of the Opuni Kana, Sisi and Eba said Dr. Opuni is guilty. They will think of now, they will take it in good faith a fair trial. What am I say? Remember, Dr. Opuni, lawyers of the Opuni, they are still of the view, and almost can be say, even in 2020, Judge I can answer me, Justice Honyenu again, or call out and not or campaigning for Nana Adudanka Kufuado, saying voting man. You voting man, and Justice Ononugo, or Cassie voting man and Adudanka Kufuado. And no. Yes, almost so. And aside from that, you pursue a year Dr. Opuni, lawyers cry and say, "O call life be prima facie." Now no matter prima facie is just we saying say a semi air question. We have a case against you, and I said there's an element of an intention to want to commit a crime. What am I saying? In law, they say the intention of wanting to commit a crime alone on itself is a crime. Into what now? Why dreaming no old dreaming a dream bonnet say be opposite shoot to be no. So I dream with team no crown. A bonnet is punishable by law and a prison thing. What must say, but in cases of law, no, Fanny say what he opeso kufino kobo kunutu. That is your intention, okay? Now, okay, unka assassin true bia. But the fact say what website could be how to shoot your husband and know your one.
Now, pay guidelines, no.
What? And no, you want 2. You went further
to
buy a gun. When shoot you kuno? The uko feel no kunada. When shoot you? And one police for becho. We can establish that there's a prima facie. Exactly. So the prima facie is the intention of wanting to commit a crime. Into a hot case na ekosuna ena justice Honyenu gain about Ebeka say in summer ekoso about a year. Dr. Opuni ni ade no ene the businessman be friend Sedu Agongo no ene ne company be friend Gov't Ghana Limited no according to Justice Honyenu again he held say there was a prima facie against Dr. Opuni, which means say assembly course no intention bi wo ho na Dr. Opuni opese o this state needs kana say o sha ade ne ye kasa wa ye no o the scenario of the case now. He's guilty. Into prima facie, really what we have in terms of law say based on the first impression accepted as correct until proved otherwise. I'll say off on the first impression. On the first impression. So basically, law more. Just the first sight. I didn't even who I bet chest obi kudi boni and prima facie. So this judge argued or was of the view said there was a prima facie in the case against Dr. Opuni and the businessman Sedu Agungu and the Gov't company Ghana Limited whatever it is. So all of these things echo by Emma Omoka say Dr. Opuni lawyers, like I said, they don't want the judge again. They want him to recuse himself. Omoko first attempt, the law second time, lose. So right now, no, any other thing which will come, no, to the council and the lawyers of Dr. Opuni, they are going to view it as a fair trial. What must they will say it's void of any biasness and unfairness because the person who say obey bias, no, we recuse him.
Okay, so looking at how our case kono. Do you think say the bedia UCCA send ye near Marco ye judges ni be film on adi na yentias ye ubi ye bias near the adeno ye bedia UCCA and osha how a case ne kona obeka say bia ye baby no Ghana bedin kuni say we Dr. Opuni any the states Ghana bedin kuni manase Dr. Opuni bedin kuni.
Well, we can't tell. In penny forces in any Charlie. And in cases like this, no, all can be baby to my confirmed. Remember, what they've presumed and they've painted for us is that Dr. Opuni is guilty. But hey, the other
So they'll say he's not guilty.
so we need to wait for all the facts of the case to be established. Not also producing a defense and any argument. Not states to producing or more arguments. They should carry on the prosecution. Near share at the end of the day who is going to win or who is going to lose. Remember, now you are excavators. I think a session of people they call so maybe what and people won and hey state needing kuni. But in reality, you realize say in semi course no, if you take it to court, you can win. But in the state, in the time I see excavators, all of us sitting were thinking, oh, states no, yadi. But when they took it to court, the state lost, and they even told them to pay damages and pay the cost of the excavators. I'm telling you, in your friend, judgment debt near that. And let me tell you, even one of the things I buy, air patch say, in regards to near my course, near my Ghana bokan, a judgment debt more in Sasia, Ghana, ya toa, and asked a government at toa, obidia kokota, ya bonhoka, see in tua, near my ya say amount for the yes, Sunday many and I outside the country. Cases are loose against the state, and then Ghana we are boka so we can't say if Opuni is guilty or not unless the final verdict comes.
So until that final verdict be babonte mo view and I say say we win case no entisa we win case no e side say judge back work and home so bias until we fimu until honey ni nkunim dia wedi no